Okay, so just to give you a brief introduction about data science. Data science is not about complicated codes, models, visualization, but it's about giving impact to what the company really needs. When I say impact, it's all about giving them good insights, data products, and valuable recommendations. And as for the tools, doesn't really matter. So, in a basic concept, we use data to improve products or services of a certain company. Now, before data science, we have data mining. So back in the day, in 1996, they say it's all about discovering knowledge in data. So in 2001, William S. Cleveland attempted to combine both data mining and computer science, making statistics more technical. So when I say technical, it gives some computer power, okay, to statistics. Then came data science. So incidentally, at that time, it is also the advent of Web 2.0, where web doesn't just have static display of information, but users now have the capability of interacting with each other. Hence, a great volume of data actually emerged from these websites, such as your MySpace, Facebook, YouTube, and more. So we now have what we call big data. Now, since we already have this huge amount of data in our hands, we need to construct and put them into a certain storage or an infrastructure like data warehouse, and then that data warehouse utilizes MapReduce and Hadoop. So from that massive data, companies now supported the use of data science for their unstructured data sets. So data science became an identifier to almost anything about data. Its collection, analysis, modeling, as well as its application. Well, of course, the most important thing really is the application. So in 2010, machine learning is now possible. And then from there, we train models using a data-driven approach rather than a knowledge-driven approach, utilizing neural network, support vector machine, naive Bayes, and more. So deep learning is not new anymore. In fact, since machine learning and artificial intelligence is all over the place, it overshadowed data science and some of its sub-elements like business intelligence, ETL, exploratory analysis, and more. So that is why a lot of companies hire data scientists. This is to help them enable and to improve their products and services using data. So just to give you a quick glimpse on how data scientists do their work, here is how. Number one, to understand business problems. So from there, you'll be asking a lot of whys. Okay. So number two is actually data acquisition. Here, you'll be scraping data from different sources, like from the internet, web servers, log files, databases, APIs, and data repositories. Then number three, data preparations. You have two things. Number one, you have data cleaning. So data cleaning deals with data inconsistencies, wrong attributes, data duplication, or even missing values. And then number two, you have your data transformation. So data transformation is actually the modification based on the mapping tool used by the organization or the company. Like you have your talent. Okay, that's an example of your mapping tool. Next is exploratory data analysis. Here you refine the selected feature variables, and then that feature variables will be the one that will be used in your model. Okay, take note that this is the most important part of a data scientist's work. Then you have your data modeling. For programmers turn into data scientists, this is actually this is the exciting part to me. Here, we actually build several models using different algorithms, classifiers, and then we use also mathematical formulas. Then we select the best model and then apply that. Then number six, you have your visualization. Here, data is presented to the stakeholders using tools such as Power BI. Okay. And then lastly, number seven, you have model deployment and of course maintenance. Here, data scientists use dashboard for real-time analysis. This is also part of the maintenance. Okay.